Well, winter is sure here, and we're all fired up at Creative Rides, particularly for our upcoming auction, our winter auction, 12th of July. This is one of the beautiful vehicles that we're putting up for sale on behalf of an extremely proud owner, 1988 Porsche Carrera 3.2 Targa. It's a right-hand drive. This was bought brand new by an extremely proud gentleman in 1988. Serviced it with the agents, complete service book from new. Second owner is as pedantic, really looked after the motor car, extremely original in its wine red metallic, and this is an original cream leather interior. Just gone over 200,000 Ks with full books, full history, awesome air-cooled, extremely popular here and globally, and we're expecting this motor vehicle to fetch an awesome price. Don't miss it. Saturday, 12th of July, at our showroom in Bryanston, 11 o'clock is kickoff. See you all there.